In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to target demographics in Google Ads. This is a crucial skill for anyone looking to refine their online advertising strategy and reach the right audience. Let's get started. To begin, open your browser and head over to the Google Ads homepage. This is your primary hub for all things related to your advertising campaigns. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see the Sign In button on the top right corner. Click on this button to access your Google Ads account. After logging in, you'll land on the Google Ads home interface. Here you can see an overview of your campaigns, performance metrics, and various tools that can help you monitor and optimize your ads. Now, our focus today is targeting specific demographics, so let's move on to the next step. On the left hand side, you'll find a menu. From this menu, locate and click on Campaigns. This section is where you can manage all your existing campaigns, create new ones, and modify settings to better align with your advertising goals. Within the campaigns section, you'll want to navigate to Audiences, Keywords, and Content. Clicking on this link will take you to a new interface where you get to define the specifics of who you want to reach with your ads. This step is pivotal because it's here that you start tailoring your campaign's reach to your target audience. Once you've reached the Audiences interface, you'll notice a tab labeled Audiences. Select this tab to continue. Here, Google provides various audience targeting options, allowing you to filter your audience based on interests, habits, and interactions. At this point, a critical aspect of demographic targeting comes into play. Look for the option labeled Age. Clicking here will present you with a list of different age brackets, such as 18 to 24, 25, 34, and so forth. Carefully select the age groups that align with your target market. Remember, knowing your product or service's typical buyers can hugely impact which demographics you decide to target, so choose wisely. For added effectiveness, consider revisiting other demographic options like gender or household income to further refine your audience. Precise targeting not only improves ad engagement but can also help you manage your budget more effectively by avoiding irrelevant clicks. And there you have it. You've learned how to target specific demographics in Google Ads. Tailoring your ad campaigns with these methods is essential in ensuring your ads reach the right audience, maximizing both visibility and conversion. I hope this guide was helpful. As you familiarize yourself with these tools, you'll be better equipped to optimize your campaigns effectively. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check back for more tips and tutorials on maximizing your digital advertising efforts.